So I'm down in a patch of the garden, New Forest Farm. It's a kitchen garden where I'm actually trying to eradicate horseradish. I've been trying to eradicate this probably for a dozen years or so. But this year I dug up 3 major crowns. These are probably a couple, 3 years old, and a lot of the side roots that came along with it. So this is a section that's maybe 2 feet by 5 feet. And I got, a sink full of roots. And then from these 3 crowns, I'm going to get 20 or 30 new crowns out of it. So horseradish is one of those things, same with actually trees in a forest. The way we harvest our crops determines whether we have more of that crop in the future or less. So a restoration agriculture approach is to increase our resource base in front of us in time, so that by harvesting horseradish this year, we will have twice as much, 3 times as much, 4 times as much into the future, and so on and so on. More to share, spread, sell crowns. Go to forestag.com if you want to order crowns. Got to do that soon because we only ship until the end of April.